Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I was going over footage to edit the engine teardown video, and there's just really nothing there to make a video, so I'm just going to give a brief synopsis of that before I go into the video of taking the front of the car apart. So I'm going to throw some videos up as I talk. So as you can see, nothing really special happened about this engine teardown. There was really no surprises at all. The only thing that was really surprising, as you can see right here, as I took the head off of the driver's side or passenger side, I forget which side it was, when I cracked it open, there was a lot of antifreeze still left in there, and it went all over me and all over the floor. That was the only real surprise. And then also the coolant lines were plugged up completely, so no coolant was flowing at all. Hopefully I have some footage of that as I threw in right here. So there's really nothing special about the engine teardown, so I didn't really need to make a video because obviously I didn't really talk much, didn't really explain anything, so I was just like, this isn't really a good video and it'll just be really boring. So now going into this next video that you're watching right now, I'm gonna cut to taking the front of the car apart. As you can see though right now, it's already back on and the engine bay is painted, and also my engine is back there. So the video you're about ready to watch was filmed about a month ago. I'm really behind on everything, just between my real job, trying to get this car back up and running, and trying to edit videos. So I apologize for that, but the video you're about ready to watch is me taking the front of the car apart. Essentially just some weird things Ford did, I believe is what most of it is. So I hope you enjoy the video, and let's cut to the footage. So I think this video is going to be dedicated to all the amazing engineering feats that Ford did back in the day. So as you probably just saw, I tried beating this hood latch out, and I found that there's another screw right there holding it in. And as you come under here, you can see it right there. But there's no real good way of getting to it or getting a socket on there. Well, as you can see, the chrome down there we got off. It actually uses some really weird brackets there that clipping right here and here. The 67 does not use those. The chrome grill is screwed in. As you can see, this car is pretty dirty. It looks like it's been sitting outside for years. Like, there's just caked on dirt there, back there, so all that will get cleaned out. Hopefully this will just pull out. Oh, yep, there it goes. So there's that, and then this should come out. Yep, there we go. We're getting places. Next to come off is the bumper, the gills, and all the lower valence and all that. As you can see, we got the rest of the front of the car off. Everything came off pretty smooth. We only broke a few things, a few bolts and some clips. So the paint, the paint's not in good shape, but the body is in good shape. Decent paint, I would say. All this was bent down down here. This was bent on the 67, so it's in really good shape. Really no rust. These are probably going to stay on just because I don't want to, if I break these bolts off, we're in big trouble. So I'm happy with the front of this. Like I said, fenders are staying on. They're just going to loosen them, push them to the side to paint. That's about it. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to power wash the engine bay first, and then I'm going to sandblast it to get it all out. Battery tray still has to come out, and I'll show you guys right now. So right here And back there are the bolts for the battery tray. So really, if you want to get a socket on there, this whole thing has to come off, which is a pain. So I'll go ahead and show you guys here are the parts that came off. You can see there's some surface rust there I'll take care of. Just dirt, more dirt. These are pretty good shape. There's the part number C47B. Let's see what this one is. C4 something D. So 74 parts. It's a Ford thing. 75 part. And a 75 part. And there's the shop dog. Oh yes, good old Rusty. Does it meet your approval, Russell? Rusty, does it meet your approval? Yep. All right, good boy. All right, enjoy your walk, Rusty. He's like, no, I enjoy being a shop dog. So that's all for the video. I'm not going to show you guys taking out the wiring harness because it's not that hard. Just unclip it here at the firing wall, bring it all back, break these clips off, buy new clips. Little headlights come in there with the turn signals, those will pull through. The horns we're not too sure about. We might just take the whole wiring harness and flip it forward. We'll show you that when we get there. So thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you guys next time. The next video, I have no idea what it is. I can't give any hints. So see you next time.